Yo, what's up? It's your girl Nyx. Products will be linked in the description below. I have a disclaimer though. I use this Maybelline Plump It Up nourishing cream. That's what it's called. Y'all, a lot of people I know are allergic to this. I'm allergic to this. So I use this on top of my moisturizer and the oil that I put on my face. So it's like pretty much a barrier. This to me feels like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It has that kind of stickiness to it. I really only like it for that, but this breaks me out, so yeah. Okay, so now we're back with brows. All I put on my skin was Skin So Soft. I really wish I knew the fragrance that it's in, but I put it down below. Buy from my auntie, your local Avon lady, period. I'll leave her link in the description below, please. Thanks. Next, I also used rose water mixed with the Skin So Soft oil and the moisturizer. Now I'm gonna go into my Warrior 2 palette. And I'm putting that closest to my lashes. Now I'm gonna go into Zama with the AOA Studio D27 brush. That's this orange down here, right on top. I'm gonna go into Yacht It, and it's the last shade I'm gonna use. Like I said, really simple. I don't want anything too dramatic again because my skirt is very dramatic. And I'm just gonna go right on top. I'm gonna add my lashes. They are the True Styles, that's the brand, 921M. I hope you guys can see that. They're upside down because I've used them a lot. They're also dirty. But yeah, like the flare wispy style. Adhere these with my AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive. This is in clear. This is just latex free glue. I have so many of these, but these are just the cheapest ones I own because they're $1 on Shopmissa. Y'all, somebody get Shopmissa to sponsor me because they finally, well, I don't want to say finally, but they commented on one of my posts recently, and of course I appreciate that. But you know, as many people as I put on to Shopmissa, like, it's crazy. Okay, here we go. He finna. Ooh. In peace. May you rest. Never ever shoot below the neck. You a rookie. I'm a vet. That's why I got a Glock. You got the tip. Not checkers. This chest. I flirted. I'm pathetic with the gets. Huh? Need to get myself together. I'm a man. Straight up. Bikini bottom, I'm a sandy. Mo, she keep on drinking out of brand. She eat the molly like it's candy. Yeah. Body slam a nigga like I'm Randy. Yeah. I'm a hat, get a girl. I'm a guap, get a. I'm not finna get copyrighted, but I need y'all to know that's my shit. Yeah. 10 bad bitches in the mansion. Wrist on Millie, rocking diamonds on me dancing. When you're working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. Ooh. Okay, it's time to do the face. Excuse my chair. I'm gonna spray my face again with the rose water mixed with the Skin So Soft oil. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This looks like, but it's not gonna look like later. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face just like this for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have to do this. I just don't have a, I don't want to use my fuller coverage foundation for this. Okay, it's been a minute. I'm gonna blend this out. The Pro brush, I got this from Walmart. It was $8. One of my best investments. This is the BMX 180 buffer brush. I'm going in with the AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cafe. 3D Contour Artist Cream Contour Palette. These don't have shades. I'm gonna go into the darkest one, and the one right next to it. My palette looks disgusting, so I will be putting this on the screen, okay? And I'm tapping right above that with a Wet n Wild contour brush. That's literally what it's called. I got this from Dollar Tree. Y'all, if y'all are looking for the stuff that used to be $1, them Wet n Wild brushes, the elf blush, elf sponges, elf stuff, you know, when all that stuff used to be actually $1, go to Dollar Tree. I'm going into this color and this color. This one is Modelle, this one is Allspice. I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get into the powder, which is my favorite part, and the blush. I know I love me some blush. Okay, see y'all in a second. Now, set my face with the set my face with the banana powder. I'm just gonna tap this on. Back in with my contour brush, the AOA Studio High Def Brush F2. I'm gonna use a powder contour. This is the Ruby Kisses powder contour 3D face contour outer. I'll put it in the description, y'all. I can't read right now. Again, going in with a darker color and this color. These two mixed together really give me the most beautiful bronze, but it's just not red enough in my opinion. So blush brush I'm using is the BH Cosmetics. Oh my god, this does not have a never on it. All of my BH Cosmetics brushes came in a set. I will link it in the down below, okay? This is the same palette that I used earlier. Did I use this one? Shit. Okay, this is the I don't know what it's actually called, but a lot of the packaging says Fantasy, so this is changeable Fantasy. I don't know when my mom got it, but she got it for me. I'm gonna go into these two, this one and this one. This is a pale pink right above it. I'm going in to the Warrior 2 palette again. I'm going to use the shade Dara, which is this pink color right here. Can't see what I'm doing technique wise. I'm pressing and flicking like that. It deposits the pigment, but it also blends lines. It's not going to blend the actual color on your face. You really do need to do the circular motions for the blush, but it blends the lines. So I'm putting this in one spot. That'll leave a circular mark on my face, but it'll also leave like a straight line if I keep pressing it just regular. So I'm pressing and then I'm swirling off, or I'm really flicking it off the brush. This is what we're looking like you know. Okay, so we're back with the hair portion. This is the wig. I've seen her plenty of times. The quality just does not give, babe, okay? So these 2 braids in the back, I did 4 braids. These 2 are staying in the back of my head. This one and this one are getting redone. Okay, so it's hair time. As you can see, I took the 2 front braids out. This is my favorite way to stretch my hair when I don't feel like blow drying it. I'm gonna part my hair in front of my ear. Doesn't matter. But I'm just gonna braid these 2 sections up. If you don't know how to braid, you can twist. If you don't know how to twist, you can just simply wrap your hair this way, singularly, just literally twisting it back this way. I don't want to do that. I like braids in my hair. I like the way that it makes my face look, especially when they're tighter. I'm just gonna take 3 strands and cornrow this down. This is water with conditioner and peppermint oil. I'm just applying my wig. I'm going to fold the part where the baby hair is under. Sometimes with braid styles, I'll just do this, where I'll just crisscross the back of my braids, like the tails of my braids, in the center, and that'll cover it, but I did not leave out enough hair for that. So I'm gonna take a piece of braiding hair, braid it, and then tuck it into the back of my wig, and that'll cover up this lace part. You won't be able to see it. Truly, I don't actually have to do it today, because even on camera right now, you can't really tell. It just look a little lopsided. Like, you can't tell, but for, I don't know, for the sake of completing the style, I'll do it. Much done. I'm not doing my nails for this particular set of pictures. Honestly, I don't want to. So I'm gonna put on my little outfit. I think you guys will like it. It's so cute. And take these pictures. Thank you so much for rocking with me through this little get ready with me process. Hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm just in this right here. Bye, girl.
Hating, I'm popping regardless. You can keep 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 hating, I'm popping regardless. Hey, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless.